There's almost nothing more opulent and attractive than a party on a yacht on the high seas. Whether it be a birthday, wedding, a casual get-together with friends and family, or a lucrative social gathering, a special event on a yacht just makes it more luxurious and adventurous. While you may think yachts are only for the rich and famous, there are different yachts for different people and purposes. Hence, various types of people shop for various types of yachts, and shopping for a yacht is most definitely an exciting venture that presents a new world of possibilities beyond the deep blue sea. Whether you envision private family cruises, glamorous social gatherings, or lucrative charter ventures, the process of acquiring a super yacht demands meticulous planning and consideration. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner towards personal growth and success. In this video, we'll guide you through the things you need to consider when planning to own a yacht. From finding the right type to knowing the legal processes, we've got you covered. So take a pen and paper and let's help make your dream of yacht ownership a reality. From the words of experts down to the hands of our skilled researchers and writers, we bring you the steps you need to take before shopping for the yacht of your dreams. If you appreciate how much we've done for you, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Number 1. Define your needs. The first crucial step in buying a yacht is to clearly define your requirements. What is the intended purpose of the yacht? Will it be a private haven for family and friends, a venue for extravagant parties, or a vessel for chartering? Consider the number of guests you plan to accommodate and the amenities that will enhance your yachting experience. From helipads to swimming pools, spas, gyms, and cinemas, outlining your requirements sets the foundation for your yacht search. Remember, there are different types of yachts varying in size, shape, build, and purpose. The basic types are the motor yacht, sailing yacht, explorer yacht, day sailor, performance yacht, and convertible yacht. You would want to find the yacht that fits your specific desires and needs. Do you envision a sleek super yacht, a powerful motor yacht, the classic elegance of a sailboat, the speed of a performance yacht, or the versatility of an explorer yacht? Consider whether you want a yacht designed for long-range ocean cruising or one more suited to island hopping and blue water havens. Additionally, decide whether you prefer a brand new yacht or a brokerage yacht with a history. This decision is fundamental as it sets the tone for the entire purchasing process. With so many different types of super yachts available, the choices may seem overwhelming. However, you always have the option to consult with an expert yacht consultant who can provide invaluable advice on the various types and styles of yachts, guiding you towards the option that best suits your lifestyle and preferences. Our advice: go over to Northrop & Johnson Yacht Brokerage to find the right type of yacht for your needs. Number 2. Set a realistic budget. You found the yacht that you want, but its price tag is way above your expectations. To save yourself from such an embarrassing disappointment, you must first set your intended budget or the amount of money you're willing to spend on a yacht, both short-term and long-term. Short-term costs involve the actual cost of buying the yacht, paying the brokerage fees, finalizing the legal papers, and finally, transporting the yacht to your port. Long-term costs involve maintenance, crew salaries, insurance, and docking fees. Think about these expenses ahead of time so you don't go back once you've already found the yacht of your dreams. With a thorough financial assessment and preparation, your dream yacht won't become a disappointment or a financial burden in the future. Instead, you'll have the assurance and confidence of sailing wide and free on the ultimate yacht of your dreams. Number 3. Shop on trusted sites and engage a trusted yacht broker. The third reason why shopping for a yacht can be a daunting experience is because of the inevitable spread of deception and false advertisement on many yacht shopping sites. It's virtually impossible to regulate all false information going on the internet, and yacht sites are no exception. This is why it's crucial to first engage a trusted yacht broker on a trusted site, and often, trusted yacht brokers are those large brokerage houses that have a proven track record of yacht sales and trades. Most of the time, false advertisements and fake brokers would post a yacht for sale at a significantly lower price than the actual model. More so, they would post pictures and descriptions of a yacht for sale even without the knowledge of the actual owner. In worst cases, false brokers would put a yacht for sale even when they don't even have the unit on hand, and would only use well-made advertisements and websites to hook an unknowing potential client. Be in the know. Shop for yachts on trusted sites like Yacht, which gives an outstanding effort towards the verification of the yachts they advertise. Even better, their user interface is very streamlined and simple, allowing you to browse leisurely across dozens of truthful yacht advertisements. The website also makes it easy for you to search yachts based on your specific preferences like model type or year, size, amenities, price range, and more. Reaching out to a trusted broker also makes the long process of finding the right yacht faster and more efficient. Brokers often have in-house tools that they use to search across multiple sites and listings for the type of yacht that you're looking for. They also know the ins and outs of yacht mechanisms, models, makers, maintenance, and many other yacht-related things to help you make the right choices. Not to mention, brokers will also help you arrange and finalize the necessary legal and regulatory compliances when owning and maintaining a yacht, as well as connecting you with the yacht makers and owners. Number 4. Know the legal processes and regulatory compliance. Okay, so when you're shopping for a yacht, you may not be as concerned about these quote-unquote minor details as you would when you own a yacht. However, the truth is, these processes are very important and often mandatory for you to stay safe and secure with your yacht, both physically and legally. So first, you have to know that a thorough inspection of the yacht by a marine engineer surveyor is necessary to assess the vessel's condition, structure, and systems. Without an operational certificate signed by said surveyor, the yacht would not even be allowed to sail. The inspection also ensures the safe operation and maintenance of the yacht. Second, verifying the yacht's documentation, including ownership history, and confirming the absence of any outstanding liens or legal issues are also crucial in the legal aspect of yacht ownership. You don't want to inherit any outstanding debts, liabilities, or penalties that may come with a yacht. Third, you will also need a crew to man your yacht, and so that goes to human resource policies and safety procedures to ensure that your yacht has the right papers and regulations to have in-house employees. There could be many more legal issues and regulatory compliance required for the official ownership of a yacht, but these may vary from country to country or state to state. So be sure to always consult with a broker or a marine legal advisor to know about the legal and mandatory processes of owning a yacht. Number 5. Finalizing a contract and finally owning the yacht of your dreams. You've chosen the right yacht, engaged with a broker, hired a marine engineer surveyor, and figured out the legal processes. Now it's time to finalize everything, sign a contract of sale, and acquire the yacht of your dreams. Fortunately for you, yacht brokers and sales companies like Northrop & Johnson and TJB Super Yachts are there to help you finish all the required documents with marine lawyers, tax advisors, and survey engineers. They will also help you conduct sea trials, contract your crew, market your yacht and charters, and insure your yacht. Shopping, buying, and maintaining a yacht are no luxuries, but they require effort and labor to get your yacht on the sea for you and your loved ones to enjoy, or just for you to use in a business. Whatever you need a yacht for, there are many things to consider and many people out there to help. So always remember these 5 tips for shopping for the yacht of your dreams, and you're rest assured to be sailing in open waters soon enough. So how do you feel about owning a yacht? If you were to buy a yacht, what would it be and what would it have? We'd love to hear from you as you share your thoughts in the comments below. If you ever do get to have your dream yacht, don't forget to invite us. As always, thanks again for watching and we'll see you next time.